In today's video, I will walk you through how to run a profit and loss statement report in QuickBooks Online. Start by looking at the left panel inside QuickBooks Online. From the available options, select Reports. This will take you to the Reports section where you can access the available financial reports. Once the Reports page opens, look at the tabs along the top and select Standard Reports. Next, look through the list of available reports and select Profit and Loss. QuickBooks will begin generating the Profit and Loss report. Wait a few moments while QuickBooks processes and loads the report data. Once the report has loaded, you'll see a breakdown of the income and expenses for the selected period. Next, adjust the date range if needed. Look at the top left corner of the report and find the option for selecting the dates covered by the report. Select the date range you want the Profit and Loss report to cover. You can choose the specific period you need, such as the past month, the last quarter, or a full year. After selecting the date range, review the report and make sure it covers the period you want. Once you've adjusted the report to your preferred date range, look toward the top right corner of the screen. Select the Save button to save the customized profit and loss statement. The report is now saved in QuickBooks Online for you to revisit when needed. That's all it takes to run and save a profit and loss statement report in QuickBooks Online. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next videos.